driver when he put them in front with him.
Sea lion.
Is that Chastity?
Come on. He's like, get your hand out of my ass.
I can't do that.
Evan's good. How do you use this?
We're gonna go.
You just move up and down. No, you put it on your hand and move up and down.
Oh, take this.
Well, I want to get this.
Safe.
Yeah.
Alright.
Okay.
Yeah, see, that's it.
We have a, yeah, well, we have a local.
We have one that does their bedroom.
I'm sorry that.
Buddy, you're not going to go through every freaking animal, are you?
Right.
No.
That's a leopard suit.
How they like that. But they've done the zip line, you know it.
Evan likes puppets. Okay, this is the last one.
Yeah, but we have some.
Last one.
A red-headed woodpecker, how appropriate for you. Buddy, I'm really hungry and thirsty.
I am.
Well, Rick, we try to give an experience, so, you know, that you...
Okay,
This one is going on YouTube.
Grandma, no, Grandma did this, Grandma did that. Just you want a memory. Yeah. Yeah.
I remember you.